USB?
Yes, I do. Okay, today we're going to be talking about inside a computer. The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. Coders need to understand how computer hardware works so that they can write the code that tells computers what to do.
Abu, where is that thing on your computer?
I will show you. The USBs, like, they are not on my computer. They have the same connector as your mouse or keyboard. It's like a storage thing. This is all used for storage. So storing or saving files or saving images. Okay. So hard drive. Hard drive is like, this is where most of the computer's data is stored. Like you're gonna have a lot of you have hard drive. You have, I think, 256 GB of hard drive.
And how
When
much
you
do I have?
when you actually save the images, like the clouded leopard image or Spidey and Friends image, that's saved in the hard drive.
That's Spidey and Friends. Yeah, but Ibrahim.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
that
but
is
Ibrahim
sta-
does
sa-
too
where
much.
is it saved?
Ibrahim.
It's saved in the hard drive.
Yeah, but Ibrahim does too much. It's almost to crash.
Not crash. It's almost filling up. Yeah. So you are
Like
right.
it's like
RAM. Remember the IC which I just took out? That's called RAM.
Which
This
was
is
the RAM?
the one which I was saying, it's 4 GB,
Oh yeah.
and we can actually replace it with 8 GB.
And this is 1, 2.
No. It's inside that. It's just like covering. In our computer, it is exposed. You can actually see it. So it stands for random access memory. It's short-term memory that stores information only when the power is on. Okay.
And when we put the pin. And like a
No,
small.
that is called the CD-ROM. When we put the pin in and took it out, that is the CD-ROM. Okay, screen. Text and images are displayed here. We know this is called the screen.
Yeah.
This whole thing is called, like, where the processor is the i7 or i5 or the Pentium 4 or Pentium 3. They used to be the old ones. This is called the motherboard.
When you get. Hey, the motherboard.
Yeah.
The motherboard. When we grow up, when we grow up, he's gonna have i7, and I'm gonna have i10, right?
i10, I think it's called IM. They
IM?
moved to IM. I don't know why. But yeah, gonna have better ones. Okay, motherboard. This is called this large circuit board.
But whenever I gonna have A7.
i7.
A7.
I don't know what A7 is.
Yeah, it might be time.
Okay, this large circuit board
Don't make
holds
it
the
up.
processor. Everything connects to it so that different parts of the computer can communicate. That's the motherboard. Okay, now we have a processor, right? This is the brain of the computer, like the i7, i5, that is the processor. The whole green thing is called the motherboard, and that main processor is the brain of the computer. It performs most of the calculations that make the computer work. And then we have the batteries, right?
Yeah, we
this
know the
this
battery.
computer has a
Did
battery.
did you see my battery?
Yes.
Oh, but there are all kinds of batteries in
Yes.
other computers. Like your battery
Yeah,
is
my
different.
battery is different.
Can you show us?
No, that doesn't come out. Yeah.
But can you show us
No, in order for mine to open, we need the screwdriver. Computers need power to work. The battery powers a laptop when it is not plugged in. Okay, now we're gonna be talking about storage. Computer data needs to be saved so that it can be shared and used again. This is done using storage. Today we save data using clouds. Clouds meaning like your email that is
Yeah.
not stored anywhere. It is stored in the clouds, like meanings on the online. Right? Your classes, all that information is stored online. You don't need a USB or a CD or DVD or a floppy or a punched tape in order to get that. Right? Okay. Today we save data using clouds, a form of internet storage. Here are some typical storage devices, some of which we still use. So we have the punch tape. Early computers in the 1950 50s and 60s stored data as holes on punch tapes. Then we had the floppy disk. From 1970s, data was stored in thin disks protected by plastic covers. Then we had CDs, and we still have it, right? We can still get it from the library. CD uses a laser to write data onto a disk. It can store much more data than a floppy disk. Then we have DVDs. DVDs have better sound and space that CDs CDs. So are used to store video files. And then the last thing is that we have USBs now. Memory sticks, these are also called memory sticks, hold data.
I don't have a USB, I have a CD.
You have a CD player which takes a CD, but you have a space for a USB. I can show you that after the
Like our headphones, it has USB.
It is called the SD card. That's kind of it's very much
Are
like,
they like cousins?
yes, they are cousins. Yes, you are right. Memory sticks hold more data than DVDs. They plug straight into the computer. Now that's all we